Once upon a time, a small poor boy named Leo lived with his old kind family in a very beautiful village near a big blue river. He loved reading books every single day because he wanted to learn many new things about the big wonderful world outside his small quiet village. Every morning he woke up very early at 5 o'clock to help his dear father in their small green vegetable garden before going to school. His school was very far away from his small home, so he had to walk for 2 long hours through the thick, dark forest every day. He did not have expensive shoes or a new school bag, but he always carried a very big, bright, beautiful smile on his happy face. His clever school teacher noticed his great hard work and gave him many interesting storybooks to read at home during the holidays carefully. Leo read those lovely stories to his younger sister every night by the small bright light of a tiny yellow candle in their room. One sunny afternoon, while walking back home from his school, he found a very beautiful, small, shiny silver key on the dusty ground outside. He picked up the strange key carefully and wondered what kind of big secret box or heavy old door this special key could open today. He walked around the village and asked many local people about the key, but nobody knew anything about its real owner or secret lock. The next Saturday morning, he decided to go deep into the green forest to look for the old hidden wooden chest of his dreams. After walking for a very long time, he saw a beautiful old tree with a strange small door hidden behind its big green leaves safely. His little heart started beating very fast because he saw that the small silver key fitted into the old keyhole perfectly without any trouble. He turned the key very slowly, and the small wooden door opened with a loud sound to reveal a very large, beautiful hidden room. Inside the room, there was no shining yellow gold or glittering white diamonds, but there were thousands of wonderful new books on wooden shelves. Leo was extremely happy because finding so many beautiful books to read was the greatest treasure he could ever ask for in his life. He realized that true knowledge is much more valuable than any shiny gold or expensive things that people can buy with a lot of money. He sat down comfortably on the soft green grass and started reading the very first book about great kings and brave soldiers of history. From that wonderful day, he visited the secret tree house every single evening to read and learn more about different beautiful countries worldwide. He shared this great secret only with his loving younger sister, and they both studied together very happily under the big old tree. As the long years passed by, Leo grew up to become the most intelligent and highly respected school teacher in his entire beautiful country. He opened a big free library in his small village so that every poor child could read and gain valuable knowledge without paying money. Many children from different faraway villages came to his wonderful library to read those amazing books and learn beautiful lessons for their lives. Leo always told his young students that reading books can change their minds and help them achieve all their big, beautiful dreams very easily. The villagers were very proud of Leo because he transformed their small, simple village into a full model colony of highly educated, smart people. His younger sister also became a great doctor and helped all the poor, sick people in their beautiful village without taking any money from them. Both brother and sister worked hard every single day to bring a lot of happiness and bright light into the lives of poor citizens. They never forgot their humble past and always remained very kind, polite, humble, and helpful to every needy person in their beautiful village. One day, the king of the great country visited their small village after hearing about the wonderful library and Leo's great noble work here. The king was highly impressed by Leo's simple lifestyle and his deep, boundless love for teaching young children without expecting anything in return. The king offered Leo a very big golden palace in the capital city, but Leo gently refused it with a very polite, beautiful smile. He told the king that his true happiness lived in his small village among his lovely books and his cute, innocent little school children. The great king respected his noble decision and gave a lot of money to expand the village school with modern facilities for students. Now the school had big, bright classrooms, beautiful playgrounds, and many new sports items for all the children to play happily together. Leo felt very contented in his heart as he watched his young students playing and reading books under the shade of trees happily. He knew that the small silver key he found many years ago had completely changed his life and the future of his village. It was not a magic key, but it opened the great door of endless knowledge and wisdom for thousands of young minds searching paths. The story of the poor boy and his secret treehouse library became very famous across the entire world, inspiring millions of young children worldwide. People learned that hard work, dedication, and a strong love for learning can overcome any difficult situation or poverty in a person's life journey. Leo lived a very long, happy, and meaningful life, always surrounded by his beautiful books, loving family, and thousands of grateful, smiling children.